right there's the box it came in. I put a hole in it over here so that the cats can go hide and hang out in there and do cat things that I don't understand. Look at what I got right there. Right there's one of them lawn mowing machines what you use for cutting grass and things that way. I got it down at the Walmarts about a month ago in preparation for this season here. I got a gas can for it too. Anyway, there it says it's Briggs and Stratton, which I reckon is kind of a popular sort of lawn mowing thing. It's engine made in America of U.S. and global parts. Which I guess would imply it's not all that American, but that's okay as long as it does the job out there in the yard. I've already tested it out in the grass. It's got a little bit of grass on it. It's got one of them floppy things. I didn't really need a big one. I just need a small one on account of I got a small yard. Says I got a lawnmower out there. I think I'm going to try to go down the hill a little bit further this season, and let's see how the strawberry patch is doing real quick. Oh dear, that's not good. Anyway, if you got yourself one of them lawn mowing machines, tell me all about it in the comment section below. Like hearing about that sort of thing.